Bro, it came out really good. I love it.
That's awesome.
I love it. Did a good job on it, man. It's gonna stick out now.
Dang.
Hello friends and fart sniffers. I interrupt this video to tell you guys what had happened. So I put a video up the other night. It was basically talking about the future of the channel, what my current goals are, kind of the financial goals that we have and what we're gonna try and do. So I said that, and a lot of people, a lot of you guys were positive as usual. A lot of you guys, the fart sniffers, freaked out. Whatever, just some of you guys freaked out. I'm not in a good mental state right now. I'm very stressed out with these Earth Roamer parts because I'm having to redo a bunch of them due to science that I can't really explain. So very stressed out right now. Woke up to a bunch of people, bunch of swamp donkeys that were just losing their mind. And I don't get it. I was very honest and I thought it was very heartfelt. But some of you thought otherwise. So the gist of that video, I'm gonna sum up a 15-minute video in about 30 seconds here. The gist of that video is we're gonna turbo the Jeep, and we're going to turbo the Jeep. We're gonna try and make it to Cletus and cars. That's gonna cost a little bit of money. I have not a whole lot of money because I'm a sad little broke turtle. So the video was basically saying, hey, this is what we're gonna try and do. If you guys wanna help out, sweet. This is what I'm gonna use the funds for. In short, I have stickers for sale. We have like 7 t-shirts left on the website that are some weird sizes that you guys might not buy. I'm working on t-shirts. Stickers are there right now. The black rectangles are still there. We've opened up the Patreon. You guys told me to raise the limits, and you guys have already like doubled the amount that we're bringing in on there. So thank you guys very much. If you guys want to go buy a freaking sticker, they're on the website. If not, it's cool. Enjoy the video, comment, like, and do your normal thing. So t-shirts will be coming out. We'll have 3 in the works. I have a freaking soap scrub. I'll explain that at the end of the video. It's weird, but it's sick. So we're trying to kind of go out of the box to in efforts to raise money because, like I said, I don't have a whole lot. I work my butt off, but I got bills. I'm a normal person. I'm not, you know, mommy and daddy aren't rich and taking care of me and all that jazz. Like some people have the, if your parents do take care of you, that's great. I'm happy for you. As long as you're not an entitled little fart sniffer. Anyways, so that was basically the whole video is what we're doing moving forward. So I'll go into more detail in the next Jeep video. For now, enjoy your regular programming. Okay, that no joke took about 2 hours. I ended up taking a lot of the stickers off of the front because I thought it was too cluttered. And then what I ended up doing was cutting, or trying to cut that line, and then I cut around the oil cap and I missed that one right there. So I gotta cut that out, and but I cut that one out, and then I did the same on the back side. I'm gonna leave this like that, I'm gonna sand that off so that'll be silver. This top will be nice and black. So I just got to finish cutting those letters out right there, just make it look a little cleaner, a little crisper, instead of just a bunch of stickers everywhere. And then we should be good to roll. I got that angle as close as I could, so I think it'll look pretty good when it's sitting on the car. So I'm going to finish that, and we're going to shoot this black and then take all the stickers off little piece by little piece. It's going to take forever, and then after all that's done, let it dry for a little bit and we'll be good to clear it. Well, that might be the most evil looking cloud I have seen in quite some time, and I'm quite excited for the storm to hit me. And oh boy, okay. I told you there was gonna be a storm. I tell you. Oh, I love this stuff. I don't know why, but I freaking love it. Okay, back to Hondaru, as it were. The peeling of stickers. It's looking sweet so far, though. What you think?
Bro, it came out really good, man. I love it.
Cool.
I like the red and the black. I like how you left it like that.
Yeah, it was getting kind of cluttered, so I took
Yeah.
a bunch of them off.
Looks
But
good, man. You kind of kept the paint off the K-tune too.
Yeah.
Damn.
I thought about keeping it red, but then I thought it'd look good with the oil cap and stuff if it was silver.
Yeah, now I can't wait to put it on.
Yeah.
It's gonna be a little bit, but
that's okay.
Yeah, that's gonna look sick, dude.
Yeah.
Just go like put it up next to the car.
Yeah. Yeah, that look cool.
That's gonna look sick. Look at that. I don't know if I just set it on there. That's gonna look super sick.
Yeah, I like it. I'm glad we went with black. Yeah, that looks sick. I like it.
Dude, who did that? That got good, dude. Who did that, bro?
You like it?
Dude, I love it. I want some more of it. Damn, the front too. That's some flavor.
You did a good job on it, man. It's gonna stick out now.
Dang. That's awesome.
Turned out good.
Came out really good.
I gotta call those guys and do that stuff. They do good work.
I don't know. Pretty.
I heard that too.
Okay, guys. Clearly, I filmed that like 2 weeks ago. My hair's grown longer, in case you were wondering. I just haven't been. There you go. Cool. So now on to the soap scrub, which is probably one of the weirder things a automotive YouTube channel has chosen to use as merchandise. Let me show you how it works. Let me get my hands a little wet so something sticks to it. Cleaning my floors one hand stroke at a time. Where's some oil? We gotta get some oil on these puppies. Both antifreeze and oil resid. Oh yeah, this is nasty stuff. Ow! There's a car there. Oh. Oh yeah, really soak up the juices. This is not how to use instructions, by the way. Do not purposely get your hands dirty before using this. Now we need some more dirt. Where could we find dirt? Some tire juice. Rub it in nice. I'm not trying to fool you guys and didn't think about this preemptively. I would have been soaking my hands all day long. Now, at first glance, it kind of looks like poo-poo. And that's just how it is. It just looks kind of like some funky poo-poo. Focus on the poo-poo. It smells like delicious coffee cake, brownies, and just a whole lot of rainbows and joy. It smells so wonderful. Scrub it like a mother. So it's got coffee grounds in it, so that's kind of what is kind of fighting all the dirt and grime that gets stuck on your hands. Just get it all worked up nice like. I do have paint on my hands, so don't judge that. Probably should have thought this example out a little more and just trying to show you. It's a decent product, and I think it's worth trying. I literally use it every day. I think it's worth you guys to give it a shot. I mean, this takes the hydro dip off my hands. Like the coffee grounds in it are sweet. So this hand was obviously cleanish before, still cleanish. Ta-da! Again, I got like paint and stuff kind of in my nails and things, but it's good stuff. It smells delicious. Your girlfriend or wife or whoever, they're gonna wanna drink you up like their morning Starbucks. Okay, now, as I said, it smells really, really good. And literally every time I use it, I'm hungry because it smells so good, but don't eat it. It's soap. So those will be on the website tonight. I'm gonna put them up before you watch this. I am like a day out on labels. So if you buy some, give me like 3 to 4 days before they ship out, just because I'm gonna have to get the labels here and then put labels on them. We have 2 sizes, they are somewhere. Okay, we got 2 sizes, 16 ounce, 8 ounce, $12, $24. They might not look like much, they last a good amount of time. You don't need a ton on your hands. I've had that for 2 weeks now, hardly halfway, and I've had it for 2 weeks. I've been using it at least once a day. So, and this is that's just a little guy. So these will last you a good little bit. We are working on, I think, a 32 ounce. So it'll be basically 2 of those. I'm trying to get the price down a little bit for you guys. So obviously the bigger we do, the cheaper it is. So I would just sell them to you like this. I think there's something legal. I got to put the ingredients on it and we got to throw a name on it. So these are made in Texas. They're happy to work with us. I'm really excited. It is great stuff, guys. So these are on the website. Again, give me like probably about 4 days before I can ship them out. I just got to do the logistical side of things and get the labels on there with the ingredients and like the weight and this, that, and the other. So there you go. Okay, that's enough. That's my sales pitch. You can go buy some soap, got some stickers, got some miscellaneous t-shirts. I'm gonna turbo the Jeep. So we gotta pay for some stuff. So go buy some things from me. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Let me know what you think about the valve cover. Obviously I did that at the same time as Cletus's covers, if you kind of got a glimpse of those. Thank you, Alan, for sending me those bike parts. Those are the ones I did in carbon fiber. So yeah, I'm gonna get back to work. It's gonna be a late night. It's about 8 o'clock. You guys are probably gonna, this will be uploaded by like probably 1 in the morning. I'm probably gonna be here till midnight. So it's a long night. Gotta get back to doing all this. I have to dip all these tonight, and then tomorrow I have to sand down a bunch of other parts, or tomorrow I gotta sand down the ones of these that didn't turn out. I have like 1 full interior I have to redo, which sucks. And then the other one, I think I can save about half of them. So I have a ton of work to do. This has to be done in 2 days, all of it. So next 2 days, pray for me, cross your fingers. I'm in big trouble. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you as soon as I can. Next video will be on the Jeep. We're gonna get going on that. I have some stuff to plumb the radiator in the rear. Let me just show you guys. You guys haven't seen much. So that looks the same. I got all this aluminum from M-Spec Performance. They'll be in the next video just a little bit. We're hopefully going to work a little bit more with them. They're going to help us with a few other things on the car. So I got that to plumb the radiator in the rear. Got an electric water pump somewhere. That's our radiator. Got to basically cap that and stick it, well, stick it on this side. So it's sitting upright. There's going to be a bunch of weird little issues. Casey Cole at M-Spec was telling me about all these weird, I already forgot the names. That dude is so smart that he makes radiators complicated. But he was telling me about, he's very smart. He's out of my league as far as intelligence goes. But he was telling me about swirl tank. It's called a swirl tank. So when you do a rear, all they do is drifting. So when you do a rear radiator setup, a swirl tank kind of allows the air and so it's a pain in the butt to bleed. So the swirl tank allows the air and the coolant to separate naturally, and then one hose goes back to somewhere and the other one comes up here, and hada. So I don't know all the details on that. Hopefully you can help me out. We're gonna be going down there a couple times. So that'll be the next video. I'm gonna work my butt off. Thank you guys for being patient. I say that all the time, but it's just, life is hectic. Like I said, I'm a normal dude. I don't have money hanging out. Otherwise I wouldn't be hydro dipping parts and doing all this other stuff. That's just a royal pain in my buttocks. So with that being said, go buy some soap and stickers. I'll have shirts for you soon. Thank you guys for all your support. Fart sniffers, stop it. See you guys later. There's another neat little thunderstorm sunset in this video. Bye-bye.